With all the recent winter weather in the area, we thought it was a good time to demonstrate a new traveler's forecast tool. It's web-based, and it's from the National Weather Service. You can access it via our webpage, preview.weather.gov/EDD. That'll bring you to this National Weather Service Enhanced Data Display webpage. This is an experimental site. Go up here, click on the car icon. That'll bring up this window where you can enter a start location. Let's say I want to travel from St. Louis. And options will come up. Choose St. Louis. Ending location, let's say I want to travel to Chicago today. So I'll choose Chicago, Illinois. Automatically the map will be plotted out of your route, and the National Weather Service forecasts along the way will be plotted. Temperatures will show up in these numbers all the way from St. Louis to Chicago. And today, January 2nd, it is very cold. You can see the temperatures are all in the teens along the way. The path will be color-coded. Gray means no serious hazards along the way. As you get up toward the southwest suburbs of Chicago, however, there are some yellows, and I'll demonstrate those here shortly. Let's zoom in. You can come up here to this upper left and click on that plus sign. It'll zoom in and then drag a map down. Starting off in the St. Louis area, let's say if we get up toward Litchfield, if you roll your cursor along the path, windows will come up showing you the details of the forecast. For instance, the arrival time in Litchfield, if I leave right now, it's at about shortly before 2 o'clock. Arrive there almost at 3 o'clock. And the forecast, valid at 3 o'clock, shows a temperature of 16 degrees, relative humidity 67%. Winds are gusting up to 26 miles an hour. As I roll up towards Springfield, Illinois, again, it'll show me my arrival time about 3:15, temperature of 15. Going farther up along the path, again, you can see that this travel path turns yellow. And for today, that means that there are some moderate snow showers up in the far southwest suburbs of Chicago. Arrival time will be about 5:16, and the temperature about 14 degrees, dew point 9 degrees. As we move up closer into the suburbs, you can see that there are some watches, warnings, and advisories in effect. For today, there's a lake effect snow warning in effect for the suburbs of Chicago, and they're expecting moderate snow showers, temperature around 16 when you arrive at 5:30. Going up farther toward the city, arrival time about 6 o'clock. Again, moderate snow showers, temperature about 13 degrees. Let's say that snow is not your cup of tea and you have some possibility of changing your route. Let's say we want to go to a warmer location, so drag that window back in and type in, let's go to somewhere warmer. Let's try Miami. So we'll choose Miami, and automatically the path will be recalculated. Let's drag that window away again so we can see the path from St. Louis, departing at around 2 o'clock, along all the way down into far southern parts of Tennessee. It's gray, so no travel problems there other than the temperatures are fairly cold. As you get into Georgia, there is a wind advisory in effect. That could be an issue with regard to high-profile vehicles such as any type of recreational vehicle or, of course, 18-wheelers. Get down toward southern Florida, say all the way down to around Fort Lauderdale. Arrival time would be about 7 a.m. tomorrow morning, and you'd be experiencing moderate rain showers at that time, temperature around 66 degrees. So again, this is a fairly useful tool, especially in the wintertime. Also in the spring, when we start to get into severe weather season, you can use this to see what your threats of any type of hazardous or severe weather along the way would be.